Yeah, yeah, yo. Let me take you on a journey where the dream grows wild, from ancient roots to labs. It's the new lifestyle. Cannabinoids unlocked, secrets compiled. THC, CBD, yeah, we're going the extra mile. And the cannabinoid system is the body's own. Balance in our lives, foundation like a stone. From the mind to the muscle, let the truth be known. This book's the key, now the knowledge is your throne. Unlock nature's code, let the wisdom flow. From the pages to the streets, now it's time to grow. Tap your knees in the air, feel that healing glow. Empowerment through knowledge, that's the way we roll. Unlock nature's code, let the wisdom flow. From the pages to the streets, now it's time to grow. Tap your knees in the air, feel that healing glow. Empowerment through knowledge, that's the way we roll. Dive deep into the terpenes, aromas that heal. Limonene lifts you up, mercy helps you chill. CBN for the sleep, CBG for the zeal. Understanding all these compounds makes the vision real. No more myths, just facts, we're breaking it down. From the chemistry to history, where the wellness crown. Navigating through the laws, both in city and town. This guide your map to treasure that's been long underground. Unlock nature's code, let the wisdom flow. From the pages to the streets, now it's time to grow. Tap your knees in the air, feel that healing glow. Empowerment through knowledge, that's the way we roll. Unlock nature's code, let the wisdom flow. From the pages to the streets, now it's time to grow. Tap your knees in the air, feel that healing glow. Empowerment through knowledge, that's the way we roll. Whether ease and pain, or lifting up your mind, cannabinoids got your back, leave the stigma behind. It's a fusion of the nature and the science combined. Holistic health solutions that are one of a kind. Affiliate your mind to a higher state. Digital hustlers on the rise, now we elevate. From the screen to the scene, we communicate. Spreading wisdom through the rhythm as we innovate. Unlock nature's code, let the wisdom flow. From the pages to the streets, now it's time to grow. Tap your knees in the air, feel that healing glow. Empowerment through knowledge, that's the way we roll. Unlock nature's code, let the wisdom flow. From the pages to the streets, now it's time to grow. Tap your knees in the air, feel that healing glow. Empowerment through knowledge, that's the way we roll. The anthem for the seekers and the curious minds. Breaking barriers, we're redefining lines. This book's the catalyst, the spark that ignites. From the darkness to the light, see the future in sight. Turn the page, engage, let your journey begin. The power's in your hands, feel it deep within. Unlocking nature's code, together we win. This is more than just a movement, it's a lifelong spin. Unlock nature's code, let the wisdom flow. From the pages to the streets, now it's time to grow. Tap your knees in the air, feel that healing glow. Empowerment through knowledge, that's the way we roll.